Hey friends, my name is Naresh Mahato. So today I wanted to share one very important incident of my life, and that is like when I was in college, what happened. I have been very ambitious, but ambitious was in my gene. I wanted to, looking at the other people, or like I don't know how this element came into my mind, into my body, that I wanted to do something which is different from the other person. And my situation is not good, actually was not good at that time when I started, when I was in school and colleges and all. So I had to struggle a lot. I had to face a lot of problems, challenges were there. When I was in school, I was like, not a normal guy. My childhood was not good. In spite of that, there was something that I know that I'm not getting this problem, this like there is no much, the situation is not good, not in my favor, the time is not in my favor, but how one day I'm going to get everything. But most importantly, something I will do in my life, a big change I wanted to bring. Later on during my progress, I realized that what problem I'm facing, there are so many people are facing the same problem. Now what I was facing, the problem is that since I was like my I was abandoned of, my mother expired, like initially I was separated from mother 5 years when I was 5 years old. Later on, when I grew up without my mother. So what happened, I had to face a lot of problems with the, you can understand when 5 or 6 year olds, when they are staying separate from the mother, the problem is like they're not getting proper care actually. So with that, for that reason, I faced a lot. So anyhow, I just completed my graduations, schooling, 10 plus 2 graduations, and then I wanted to, like, stand on my feet financially. And this is what everybody wanted, to stand on their feet. But like it is very hard and hard to get that, because we people and me, many people come from the tier 2 cities, tier 3 cities, where we don't get job actually. So job is not there, companies are not there. So what happened, even some small like store are there, or small companies are there, small companies are there, they pay very less actually. So when you, even after doing the master degree and all, you having very good, like education, still you are paid less. So that was a problem actually. Now I struggled to, when I completed my graduation and all, during the graduation, some companies came, but I was rejected very straight away. I was rejected. I was disappointed also. But I managed to teach student, work in the tutorial classes. I continued for some few years, and then I got, you know a moment that my family member, they suggested me that this way will not do. You have to get a very, you have to settle quickly because you have to get married. And I was trying to resist because I have not done anything in my life, and before, without being that, I'm not going to get married. So for that reason, what they suggested me very one very good thing, that I should do an MBA. And that way I was feeling very happy inside that I'll get to do an MBA this time now. And I I just put some more oil on it and make it big that yeah, this is very important, I should do this MBA, because if I don't do that, how will I get settled actually. And that way I, you know like, made them believe that this is very important and I should do it. And that way my father and everybody, they managed to put me in an MBA college. That way I landed in the MBA college. I did my MBA, and during this time, what happened, I got an opportunity to attend a lot of workshops, seminars, webinars, and all, and they taught me a lot of things. If I say, there was a transformation in me during those time, and I'm very much fortunate and very grateful to my college and all the whom I met, who have been a part of me during those journey. I'm very grateful to them, who has helped me a lot, who has molded my thoughts, the thought process, the way of thinking, the personality which I have become now. I'm very grateful for that, and I'm really thankful for them. So thank you so much. Thank you for all of them, even my college and everyone. So what happened is that, what happened exactly, how it happened. I got to attend like great speakers, great national, international speakers like Shiv Khera. He's one of the eminent leader, eminent speaker, motivational speaker. He gave us the workshop. and I attended him. It was such a mesmerized workshop. So that was a very, very impactful in my life. Next was the Akash Gautam. He's of India, but he has given so many talk shows, so many training to all the big corporate giants like Dr. Reddy's laboratory, or like all the big giant companies, whether it is FMCG or whether it is like pharmaceuticals or all the companies. So I got to learn from him, and it was very, very fruitful. And his learning, I still remember the way he used to deliver the lectures, the way he used to deliver the learnings and all. It is like his motto is like motivation minus boring. Yeah, so it's very, very nice. Then was the Nishan Barasar. The college hired Nishan Barasar. So he taught us very, very important thing about the interviews, about a lot of things, and which I learned, and it was very, very helpful for me and in my coming days. And with that, with the help of that one, I was able to crack all the interview, all the interview, so many interview, but I selected one, the one who gave us the big good package and all. So that way it landed, and later on also it helped me a lot, and also helped other people to crack their job, crack their job. And I taught them, and they got a very good job. Whoever I taught them, they got a job. And so effective those techniques and all I learned from these speakers and all, really. And I'm really grateful for them that I got an opportunity to attend with them. There were so many with me, but I don't know, they did not implement in their life, but I implement, and I got the result, and I'm here I am today. So just because of them, their teachings, their learnings, I'm actually growing every day. And I'm very much grateful to my college and all. They have helped me a lot in my progress. Whatever I'm today, just because of them, because they have fed me with all the good things in my life. So I'm very, very grateful to them. So I come from Takshila Business School, by the way. Thank you so much for that. So yeah, so this is how I progress in my life. So this is a small, like a brief, no, like somebody which I wanted to share with you, that how it started actually. Today, after doing the MBA, I got a job, and I had a very great career. I got an opportunity to work with some of the great peoples. They were so great, so humble, so generous people. I have never met such people actually. So they all helped me a lot. I realized that such kind of people are also there, who are so ground to earth and at the so top positions. I have also got an opportunity to meet with some of the great people, also met with some great CEOs and all. They have been very, very gentle, kind, and ground to earth and ready to help anybody. I've worked in some of the great companies and all, they're growing like anything. So, but I realized that everything I'm having, I'm also earning, I'm doing everything, paying my bills. Okay, but what next? What next? It will go continue. But I thought, but I had deep inside in my mind, I had some that I wanted to do something. And for very long time, this voice was there inside me. But something I wanted to do. But what to do? Where I should start from? What I should do? In which sector? In what area? Whether I should start a company, whether I should go for a startup, or what should I do? Or go for a, like, NGOs kind of a thing. No idea. But something I wanted to do. What to do? Uh, in At the end of 2019, I got a, no, 2019, 2020. Yeah. So 2020, end of the 2020, I got an ad, and the ad was of my mentor, who is my current mentor, Mr. Dave Gadvi. So I clicked on the ad, and I got something to know, and I was really amazed, and I was like mesmerized the way the video was. And I quickly signed up for that seminar for 3 hours. Workshop was there. It was not workshop actually; it was a seminar. So invited for the seminar, and they promised that they'll be talking about all the important things which you wanted to achieve in your life, change the life. The video was something like you can change the life. You can become what you wanted to become, or you can something. It was like that. So it attracted me. I signed up and I went for the event for the. I attended the program, and then in program they showed us everything that was like like someone who wanted to achieve something in their life, something like that. So it attracted me a lot, and it gave me a boost that this is the platform you wanted. Now it depends now whether this is very true or it's a fake or what. I was very skeptical at that time. So I don't know whether it will be right or wrong, or whether it is the deceiving or it is really it's true. Was not knowing. So I thought let's give a try. So I enrolled for the next day, the next 3-day program, and then from 3 day I got to know that everything is like 50% I got the belief that yeah, whatever that so far it has been a very true and very genuine and impactful, and this is what actually I wanted. But let's see what happens. And I attended the 3-day program. Of course, there was an investment required for that one, so I invested there and I attended 3-day program. Got to know, but the 3-day program was only just surface level. They say that the everything will be there in the the next level program, and for that I quickly enrolled. And that program I enrolled, and then I was just waiting for the day to start. Sorry, excuse me. So I enrolled for that, and then the journey started, and the journey is really mesmerized. And the journey taught me everything, changed me everything, the way I was thinking, the way I was. It changed me totally different thing. During this time, I was able to write a book. Whatever I learned from my life, whatever experiences I had, I put it in a I documented it everything. So I made actually two. The first one was actually ebook, which was like only for the academic. It was for like for student clearing interview, how they can clear, and from any background they can come, and any kind of interview they can clear. The second thing was second thing is like its upcoming books not yet released. It is almost completed, but some editing has to be done. So this will be like on students a kind of a guidebook how they can navigate in their career from any point of their life, whether they come from a poor background, middle class, or anywhere, or how they can build a great career in their life. So it will be something like that. And this is going to come very soon, this year only. There will be no delay because almost done. It will take hardly 1 month or 1 or 2 months, and it will be ready to publish. And I became a writer, and I became an author, and then I'm on a journey to change people's life. Here I am today, like preparing, making foundations for the coming generation to change their life, make an impact, make their career great. Now, let me tell you what I'm doing currently. I found my passion. I found my own the interest where I wanted to work. I realized that in my life so far, I the reason I was like I had a lot of problems and all. Let's keep aside the external problem, whatever I had. I also had a lot of limiting belief and all. I had a false notion. I had a like a mindset problem was there, and these things were holding me back. Many limiting beliefs were holding me back. It were pulling me back. Mindset was not proper actually, and because of them, I was not able to progress faster. So I was able to change my mindset. I was able to make it proper, mend it, and then I was on the path to progress. And I'm still progressing. See, progress is a word which is ever existing. Progress is every time. Everybody needs progress. Everyone is progressing. So I'm also progressing. I have to go miles and miles, and a lot of things has to be done. And we are going to change the world. We are going to change people's life, the student and the college freshers life. Now what I do, let me tell you. I actually helps college students and freshers to build their personality great for their job on their dream career, for their career. Why? Because for in order to get a very good job and build a very great career, you need to have a personality. If personality is not there, then it's very difficult to build a very great career. Otherwise, there is always everything is on a toss, and you have to struggle a lot. I'm not saying you cannot do; you can definitely do, but it's not expected kind of a thing that you'll be able to make a great career, impact so many people's, have more connections, have people will know you. You'll be very minuscule. The potential will be very less. You will have high huge potential, but only you will not be able to leverage it. So leveraging can be done only when you are able to nourish it your personality. So this is what I told you, a brief summary of the journey which I started from the just the surface level. One day I'll share some other story of my life, which can definitely be inspiring for many other people. So see you then. Bye bye. Take care.